Hello guys, I was watching a video by Rinchu, Rinchu about learning Blender in 1 week, and I saw this exact moment about what was it called? Um Phase orientation. I was like, oh my god, what about my project I'm doing? And I was like, oh no, I hope it doesn't work like that. And what? And what? Of course it is like this. I hate this. I really hate this. But then I just thought like, huh, why don't I just do something like this? Oh wait, not this. Like that. It's like now it's in the right like with the faces in the right direction. Can someone tell me if that's correct? And don't look at this. Don't look at those vertex. I'm gonna um yeah redo that. Because I know it looks it's too much, but yeah. Yeah. Can someone tell me if that's correct way to like do this? Thanks.